Dr. Sherry Ann Nathan, our department chairman, is an amazing person to work with. She's so influential. She's sort of that can do everything, and to have a female leading your department was very motivating for me. She's involved in research, and she's just a very positive person, and that was something that was very attractive to this program. I think for ear, nose, and throat, we definitely see the full spectrum. The patient population tends to present with more advanced disease, which in a training program is something that you really want, because you like to see sort of the more advanced, the more complicated things, and that makes dealing with the kind of run-of-the-mill every day a little bit easier. I love the people I work with. In the ENT department anyway, we have some really great nurses who have been here for a long time, some great scrub techs who could probably walk you through any surgery you needed to. At the same time, when you do get new people that are coming in, whether it's new residents or new nurses, then you get the opportunity to do some teaching as well. In the ENT department, everyone from the speech pathologists and the audiologists and the nurses and the attendings and the residents, everybody's important, and I think we all work very well together. You get a different experience with each attending. Each attending is a little bit different. So we do a lot of cancer, a lot of head and neck cancer, and that's typical of any ENT program. That's kind of the bread and butter of really learning how to operate. Dr. Gungor is our pediatric otolaryngologist. He is an extraordinary teacher. He gives you great experience in the operating room. Really, it's a one-on-one rotation with him, and it's a very excellent learning opportunity for 4 months. Dr. Cassetti is an excellent teacher as well. She does a lot of our resident education. She makes it fun, and we do a lot of bingo and Jeopardy, and we play a lot of otology games. I'd say one of the strengths of all of our attendings in the ENT department is they're all approachable. Every single one of them is approachable. You can knock on their door, you can call them up on the phone, and if you have a question or you want to run a patient by them or you want to do some research or you just want to ask them, you know, life questions, they're all very approachable, and that's very important too. We have a really great group of residents, and what's excellent about our department is that we, the residents, get a pretty strong voice in the department and things that need to be changed or new residents that we'd like to bring into the department. So we've been able to build that camaraderie, and we just have an excellent group of people that gets along and works well together, and we've really established a feeling of being a team and a family and taking care of each other, which is really nice at the end of a long day when you've got your other coworkers that are going to come and help see the last couple patients in clinic with you and really help you get through it. We are able to get fresh cadavers where we are doing sinus surgery on these cadavers, balloon sinuplasty, we're doing facial reconstructions, local flaps. It's so much more realistic than operating in the cadaver lab. We're doing that about twice a year now, in addition to our yearly dissection course, which is a 5 to 6 week course at the beginning of each year, where we go to the anatomy lab and do sort of a standard head and neck dissection as well. So a lot of hands-on training. We have the robot simulation as well, which Dr. Mehta, who leads our robotic program here, he will sit down with you at the robot simulator and go through practice cases with you. I've loved my experience at LSU Shreveport. It's a smaller hospital, and the ENT program is kind of that middle ground, 3 residents a year, which for me is the perfect number. Here, if you're looking for great operative experience, you'll find it. You're going to learn how to be a great surgeon. You're going to see the full spectrum of ENT problems. It's been a great experience for me. I would recommend LSU Shreveport to my closest friends, and I would say that it's definitely a program that will support you and train you very well.